I'm Lindbergh, and this is my partner, Carissa. Over many years, we've been down the deepest and dustiest trails in search of the best natural beauty the world has to offer. But at the end of each trail, the same things greeted us: our hungry stomachs. The further away from civilization we found ourselves, the more we craved food from home. And to us, food from home is the food we fell in love with during our travels around the world.
Oh, I love the pineapple. It's like a treat on top of all of it.
Woman gotta tell a man how to cook.
These are bomb. Just rice, peas, done.
Our love for food is universal, and we've taken our passion for food to the road.
That's impressive that we're having that at camp right now.
Food has this wonderful power to connect random strangers in a meaningful way.
Hey, good knife skills. Yeah.
Good.
We've traveled all over and cooked meals in the most spectacular landscapes. And we've met the most wonderful people along the way. So come with us as we try to satiate our hunger by learning about new dishes to be cooked in the world's best kitchen, the outdoors.